If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice, easy new recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to my channel. Inshallah today I'm going to be making some coconut flapjacks. Would you just have a look at how delicious these flapjacks look? MashaAllah. Okay guys, now let's get straight through to the recipe and get it on with. So guys, to start, I'm going to go through the list of ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the flapjacks. So I've got 125 grams of butter, I've got desiccated coconut, a handful, I've got 125 grams of light brown sugar, I've got 250 grams of rolled oats, and I've got golden syrup. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of golden syrup to make the flapjacks. So here guys, these are all the ingredients, and now let's get started, inshallah. I'm going to put in the butter. I'm going to place it into this pan here. I'm just going to mix it now so the butter melts completely and turns into water. So as you can see, it's melting slowly, so just mix it until it's all melted. As you can see guys, it's melting nice and easy. It's just one block left that needs to be completely melted. Once it's melted completely, make sure the butter doesn't start bubbling up. So once it's all melted completely, it's almost there now. So once it's melted completely, then what we'll do is we'll need to add in the light brown sugar. So we just need to stir this a bit more to wait for it to melt completely. Then we can add in the light brown sugar. Alright guys, now that it's melted, we're going to have to add in the light brown sugar, so let's add that in. If you see the bubbles approaching, as we can see now, it's a bit bubbly, so what we need to do is reduce the heat to low heat and just mix it. Continue mixing until it's all well combined. I've added in the light brown sugar. I'm going to add in some golden syrup, so I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons. That's 1. That's 2. 1 more spoon. That's 3. And the remaining bit of the golden syrup, just take it off with your finger and place it in. That's it. There we go. And now just mix it until it's all well combined. So continue mixing until all 3 ingredients are well combined. And then that should be done. Now that the mixtures come out pretty well, it's time to put in the oats. So the 250 grams of oats, just slowly pour it in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then mix it well. So just mix this until it's well coated with the mixture. So continue doing this until it's been well mixed. So now that it's been mixed well, it should come out like this. So have a look at that. You can see that it's been coated well onto the oats. But what we need to do now is we need to add in some of the coconut, the desiccated coconut. So we just add some of that in. So drizzle it on. I think that should be enough. We're not going to use it all, so we'll use that for now. And what to do is same procedure as before, just mix it until it's well combined into the oats. Okay guys, now that it's been mixed well, it's ready now to go into the baking tray. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the baking tray, so let's head on to that. Add some butter. I'm going to apply some butter to the bottom part of the baking tray and to the sides of the tray. So let's get to that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So as I'm doing now, I've got a butter block like this, and I'm just applying the butter to the surface of the baking tray. So just do that and ensure that the baking tray is smothered with butter. Apply some to the sides as well, like this. As you can see now, guys, it's been covered. The bottom part of the tray has been covered completely, and also the sides have as well, as you can see. So yeah, that's ready now. It's time to put in the mixture. Time to add in the oats. So I'm going to add these in. Once it's all been added in, then we can just spread it out evenly throughout the tray, and ensure to flatten it as well. Alright guys, now it's time to flatten it, so I'm just going to spread it out evenly, as so. Once it's been spread out evenly, then you can just flatten it. So let's get it on. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's been flattened out nicely. Now what we need to do is we just need to add this into the oven at 180 degrees. So we need to add that in, and then we leave it for 15 minutes, and that's it. Your flapjack should be ready to go. So let's get it done. Let's put it in the oven now. So after 15 minutes, this is how the flapjacks come out. So it looks really nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a chocolate layer on top. So I'm going to use some Nutella, and then I'm going to drizzle it on with some crushed pistachios. So let's get right to that. I've melted some Nutella. I left it in the microwave for a minute or so until it becomes runny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle on some Nutella. Bismillah, let's start with it. So I'm going to continue from where you ended a little bit. There you go. And drizzle on a bit more. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, now that we've done it that way, I'm going to do it a different way. So there you go. Need to add in a bit more. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay guys, now that I've added the Nutella, I'm going to drizzle it on with some pistachios. Okay guys, now that I've garnished it with crushed pistachios, now it's time to just cut it into 4 pieces, and there you have it. There's your coconut flapjacks ready to be served. There you have it guys, the final masterpiece is there. Your coconut flapjacks are ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe to my channel, you can click the channel logo to the top left of the screen now. Jazakallah so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.